Bill Goudy checking in. You know what time it is. It's so good. It is so good to get that hour back. It's after 5 and the sun's still up. I like that. Days are getting longer. Look, a well deserved and a frosty mug. Yes, I think it was Josh. This came from the Virginia stew. This let's see, this opener I got on somewhere. Maybe it's on the inside. Here it is. Yeah, we got that from Crawdaddy Forge. A neck knife with a, well, you can use that for a striker, you can use it for an opener, you can use it for a knife. You want one of these. The link for everybody I talked about is down below. Look at this, will ya? Look at that. I practice. It's like riding a bike. It is. You don't forget. Now don't forget that this mug won't hold the whole 12 ounces. It only holds about 10. And I have to... Uh-oh, the wind's coming up. I'm hoping that's not bothering you. Look at that generous pour. But there's just about, I don't know, maybe a swallow or two in there. Man, is that good. Whew, it's been a while. Yeah, it's only in the 40s today. It's supposed to be nicer tomorrow. But then they're calling for rain and crap. You know, typical springtime weather, but hey, I can deal with it. It's not ice, it's snow, but it's just starting to dry out where I can get some work done outside. This video isn't about a bush time with Bill or, or the daylight. No, it's about Vicky VanGo. I owe her a sandwich. Big Bad Brad. Chad. It's a relation to Brad. It's quite the goose hunter. Lives down in Missouri. Sent me up some nice snow goose fillets. And they said, fry them like you do fish. Just put them in a deep fryer or pan fry them, put them in a coating, and fry them up. And that sounds so good. But I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to step it up a notch. I'm going to use the sprouted grain Ezekiel buns. Yeah, and I'm going to use a 3-2-1 coating on the goose breast. Put them in an egg wash, coat them up real good, and then deep fry them. Actually, I'm going to pan fry them in the cast iron. And then I'm going to put them on the bun, toasted bun. Melt a little cheese on there. And maybe a little bit of mustard. I haven't decided yet on that. And a tossed salad. That's what's on the menu for tonight. Join me, will ya? Have I deserved that? I plan on using 2 of my cast iron pans. I'm going to use this one to toast the buns. I'm going to use this one to fry up the goose. I got the goose right here, and I'm going to fry them up in peanut oil. I got my tossed salad. I got my 3-2-1 coating. And where's my egg wash? I got an egg wash down here somewhere. I got farm fresh eggs, believe it or not. And I just got them in here, just plain eggs. I think there's 3 eggs in there. I've decided I'm going to use this stone ground mustard. Yeah, it's so good. I'm going to say it. Look at the goodness. Vicky VanGo sandwich. You're not going to get this anywhere. I'm telling you. Goose breast, stone ground mustard, lettuce, cheese. I don't have a tomato. Yeah, the garden isn't ready yet. It's you know, it's just spring. It's just turning into spring. Let's go ahead and cut this. I know it. It's a burger. It shouldn't be cut. But I want to see the doneness. Look. Look at the goodness. Look at that. Let's dig into that, shall we? That looks perfect. I can't tell you how nice it is to have the sun shining or have it still be light out and be this late at night. Yeah, they shouldn't even be messing with that time. Alright, Vicky, here we go. A Vicky VanGo sandwich. It's a messy sandwich and I didn't bring a paper towel with me. Oh man, is that good? I got my salad with my blue cheese dressing, and cans just went on sale and I bought some, but I got to use this first before I get the cans. I like cans is my favorite, but this worked out all right. Listen, this is excellent. This is an excellent sandwich. I want to thank Shad. I want to thank Big Bad Brad. Man. Oh, that is good. I must be hungry. Man. That is an awesome way to cook that goose. Fast. They cook goose. Alright, listen. I'm going to finish eating. I appreciate you guys coming along. I really do. It's been a great night. Got a lot of things done today. And it's only going to get better, I hope. With the weather getting warmer and then drying out. Yeah, it won't be long. I'll lose my river view. All those trees will fill in, but I'll know that river's out there. That's for sure. Thanks for watching. Bill Goudy out.